Hey y'all, so y'all thought it was me. Well, it's not me just this yet. This is my girl Toya+Curls. If you didn't know, now you know. But I'm pretty sure some of you all already know who she is because I mentioned her in previous videos. But if you don't know, this is my girl Toya+Curls. Her channel is about natural hair, beauty, and military lifestyle. So I am so excited for today's video because we are collabing on today's video. We are showing you guys how we straighten our natural hair. So here's a sneak peek of her video. If you are interested, which you should be, definitely check out her channel. I will be linking her video down in my description box and also linking her channel up above. So definitely check her out and make sure you blow up her comments and tell her that your girl Naii sent you because, okay, period. Black girl magic over here. And make sure y'all give my girl a big thumbs up on her video. Also subscribe to her channel. And yeah, once again, shout out to my girl Toya+Curls. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Naii. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got the salon results, how I straighten my hair, my straight hair routine. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Now that that's done, let's go. To straighten my hair, I just blow dried, trimmed, and yeah, that was it. So I did record me doing that, so definitely check out that video that I will be linking up above, either here or here. Right now I'm waiting on my flat iron to warm up. The flat iron I'm using is the BaBylissPRO, and this is the 1.5 inch flat iron. And I put it on 45. Can you focus, camera? Anyways, y'all get the point. So I put on 45 because this thing says 41 through 50. This is like the little paper thing. 41 through 50 is 401 degrees through 450 degrees, which is for coarse and very thick hair. So yep. Just go over the products that I'm gonna be using in my hair. So the heat protectant I'm gonna be using is this Chi Iron Guard. I've been using this, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna use this Chi Silk Infusion at the end, just to put on my hair, you know, have a little serum or whatever. And that's it. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna spray my heat protectant from Chi all over my hair so we can get into this flat ironing process. Then after I apply the heat protectant, then I'm going to section my hair off. So I am going for a side part, that's why I am sectioning my hair off this way. And like always, we're going to start from the back and work our way to the front. As you guys can see, I did the back part off section because like I just kept burning myself and I didn't have time. So I'm gonna just show y'all the flat iron in the front. So earlier in the video, I mentioned that I had my flat iron on 45, but I ended up changing it to 50. So I'm gonna go over my roots like a few times, and then I'm gonna go over the section twice. I only run the flat iron through my hair twice because I am avoiding heat damage. And then I'm gonna do the chase method with a bristle brush. I got that tip from the Glam Twins, again from Kelsey from the Glam Twins. So shout out to them for these helpful tips. I used to do the rat tail comb. I mean, I still do use the rat tail comb, but I wanted to try the bristle brush, and the results are nice. Like, the rat tail comb does the same thing, but I feel like the brush gets more of the hair, so you can have that nice, smoother foundation. So y'all, I only flat iron my hair once a year, and that's usually during the colder months because I don't have to deal with humidity as much. Also, I won't have to worry about my hair getting frizzed up, and I also won't have to worry about my hard work going to waste. So that's why I like to flat iron my hair when it's cold. Don't forget them edges, honey. When you get to that part, make sure you be careful because you might end up burning yourself. Yeah, so this is Black Girl Magic around here. I don't know who said black girls can't grow hair, black girls don't have long hair, but whoever said that, or if you know somebody who said that, make sure you share this video with them so you can prove to them that black girls can grow their hair, okay? And that's on period. Right now, so now it's time to apply this Chi hair serum on my hair, just to get rid of the frizz, and also apply some on my ends because you know whenever you flat iron your hair, your ends do tend to get a little dry. So I just want to make sure that I am moisturizing those ends and also applying it to my hair so that way I can have some nice beautiful shine. Alright y'all, so these are my final results after I straightened my hair. It's actually 2 days later since I recorded this video, but you know, yeah, I forgot to record an outro. So here it is. So yes, my hair got body. It is nice and straight. I did record myself showing you guys how I wrap my hair up at night so I can preserve my straight hair. So definitely check out that video. It'll probably be the next video after this one, when it's uploaded. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, blow up the comment section. Like, let's go ahead and get these conversations going and flowing, because y'all know I love chatting with y'all. So let's go ahead and get this conversation on the ball. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And don't forget to check out my girl Toya+Curls page, and also subscribe to her channel and leave her a comment underneath her straight hair video and let her know that your girl Naii sent you. Okay, period. But anyways, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.